To start the head, you're going to make sort of a squished circle. And these are going to be the spots that go around the eyes. Inside those, you're going to do a circle, another circle, and then small circles on the inside of those. Make a little oval in between, a J and then a backwards J. Half circle on the side, then a little half circle on the inside, then do the same thing on the opposite side. Going to give him a cute chubby belly. Then you're going to start in between there and then loop around, like a backwards J for one arm. Now I'm going to do one on the other side. We're going to have it go up a little bit more. One leg you're going to go down, curve across, and then back up. And you do the same thing on the other side for the other leg. I'm going to have him holding a little piece of bamboo. So I'm going to go up, have it pointed to the top, and then square it off on the bottom. The leaves are long shaped like this. And then you color it in.